And welcome back. My original plan was to come on here all motivated and ready to go so that I could hopefully inspire y'all into a motivated mood. But the truth be told, that is the opposite of how I'm feeling. I love creating videos after vacation to help hold myself accountable with getting back into the swing of things. But that's not what happened when we got back from the beach. It's a bit weird being a female sometimes. It's like we suffer through our periods every month, paying a heavy price for choosing not to procreate. Or you're pregnant, going through the ups and downs and pains involved with pregnancy, or possibly even experiencing ovulation pain. Either way, we be going through it. Can I get an amen? It was my time of the month on our drive back from the beach. It's hit or miss for me how I feel when I'm on my period. Either I feel fine and life proceeds as normal, or I feel like life is tragic and basic tasks take all the energy in the world. The way I was feeling post-vacation was the latter. Doing my laundry, taking a shower, unpacking, exercising, all of these supposed little things seem to take the most mental and physical energy out of me. Life isn't linear, it's ups and downs, ebbs and flows, and I'm in a down at the moment. Instead of my normal self just cleaning my room, I am working around it and coexisting with it. As you can probably see from the footage of me watching The Wilds with my laundry on my bed. It's crazy because mess actually does give me more anxiety, but I'm in this weird state of tired exhaustion where even manifesting the energy to be anxious is just not within me. I do want to say that on the days we're not feeling our best and don't have a lot of motivation or energy, that it's okay to do the easier thing that day. As long as it doesn't become a habit, it's okay to take some shortcuts here and there to get by. And make sure you give yourself some credit for the things you did get done. For me, this is unpacking, washing my laundry, even if I didn't put it away. I went to the grocery store and I still went to the gym and made some egg casserole meal prep. It's fascinating to me how our brains work, because looking at the list of things that I needed to do, I definitely accomplished way more than I anticipated. However, it's like my mind focuses more on all the things that I didn't get done. Our minds can be tricky sometimes, and they often take part in some self-sabotage. I'm only speaking from my experience, but my mind can sometimes just distort reality to make me feel like a failure for not completing everything on my to-do list. Funny how the times we are hardest on ourselves are often the times we need to be the gentlest with ourselves. After spending some time at the beach, this particular passage from a book I'm reading really stood out to me, so I'm going to share that with you guys. We create patterns that others depend on, and then the last thing we ever imagine happens. We grow and change, and then to stay vital, we must break the patterns we created. There is no blame or fault in this. It is a commonplace in nature. Watch the ocean and shore do their dance of build up and crumble, and you'll see this happen daily. We know we are close to this threshold when we hear someone say, "You're not yourself," or "That was out of character for you." What is difficult at this juncture is to resist either complying with how others see us or withholding who we really are. The challenge, which I don't do well but stay committed to, is to say to those we love, "I am more than you are willing to see. Let's work our love and know each other more fully." This particular one really stood out to me, and I'm not sure who this message was meant for, but I hope that it reached you and that you choose to step into yourself today versus stepping into what people expect you to be. Thank you guys for tuning in and for all of your kind, supportive comments. It really does mean a lot to me. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.